Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. So, in this iteration, I added Biome Splines. As you can see here, we have a clump of rocks. And this is why I didn't have rocks anywhere else. I wanted to make sure that everybody knew that all the rocks that you see come from the spline. Uh, if I go ahead and I move it this way, you'll see these trees disappear and rocks to spawn there, and the rocks that were right here to disappear. So that's exactly what this is doing, is allowing you to have complete and total control of where certain biomes are if you so choose. So if we go ahead and open this up, you'll notice that's exactly like everything else. The only reason I am having this opened up is here in the characterization. Obviously, the biome needs a name, and the biome needs a color. Uh, if it is the exact same color of any of your other biomes, then instead of completely deleting it, it will fill in the spaces with these rocks. If it's its own color, then it will just remove the other biomes and place it there. That's at least what I have noticed, and I think it's actually a really cool feature. Um, the last thing I want to point out with this is there's a Z extents. Now you may be wondering what that is. If I come over here, you'll see that we got the rocks spotting all up and down here. If I change this to 200, the highest rocks will disappear. So that's what it's doing. It controls how far up above the spline and below the spline things can spawn. So that's important to know. In the next iteration that will be released 2 weeks from October the 14th, there will be a spline that will exclude everything within it for those that don't have weighted layers for their landscape. That way you can exclude stuff for things like cities and towns and things of that nature.